Alright, in Instagram there is a trend of this car transformation transition effect. So first I see this video, this was amazing. So then I think we should make a breakdown of it. After seeing many videos on YouTube, I got it in the After Effects. So let's get started. So before getting started into the transition, what we need to do that remove this scarf from here, and from here we need to remove this scarf to make a base. So let's go to the end of this frame and select it, go to composition, save as, file, and you can name it any one of them. After choosing the path, you need to choose from here. If you want to remove the car in the Photoshop beta, then you can choose Photoshop sequence. Or if you are not having the Photoshop beta or you have expired the trial version, what you can do that, select it and go to here PNG sequence and OK and render. After rendering it, let's go to here and go to this, select it with doing the same settings with it. So if you want to remove the car from the images, what you can use, go to the Adobe Firefly and choose this generative fill. Let's upload our picture with this, select it, remove and make it something like this. You have to remove the shadows also and go to the remove option. After removing it, this has shown us 3 samples, which one of you can choose them. So I want to keep this one and go to your download option. After downloading it, let's open it. You can see that this watermark has been appeared. So in order to remove that, what we can do, go to here, Google and search for watermark remover. You can go any of the website. Let's upload our image over here. After that, select the area, go to here remove object now. So as you can clearly see that the watermarks are clearly removed and you can drag this file into the After Effects. So these are the 2 footages in which we are going to make that effect. After that, I have choose this body. This one is an SUV body. This one is the background in which I have removed the cars. And this one is the Spark video. You can get this Spark video, body shell and these removed car images in the description box. So first of all, what we are going to do that and drag this background over it and go around here. Let's little bit zoom in over there. And now go 1 frame backward, something like this, and press it. Ctrl Shift D, delete this bottom one, and from here you have to go 20 frames forward. After moving there, let's trim it down and bring this over here. Let's go to here and scale it up. So after that, drag the another image over it, and from this point we will go 10 frames backward and press Ctrl Shift D, delete this one and go here, delete this. After that, let's close this one, make a copy of it and go something around here and right click, go to time, freeze frame, take it above something like this and press Ctrl Shift D and delete this one, and let's take it over here. These are the 10-second frame bracket. This will look something like this. Let's also arrange the scale something like this. It will appear, and from this layer we will start masking. Let's zoom in over there, select it and go to here pen tool, select one by one which things you want to make. And let's go here and select this one and press G. We will start masking something like this. After that, select it and make a copy of it with the Ctrl D. Select it and press M. Delete the mask and make a new mask with this. And now in a quick manner, we will do the same settings. You can see how I will do one by one in a fast forward. After making the mask, you can clearly see how the different sections I have made the mask. Now let's go to this one and make a copy of it. Same settings, we will do it. Time, freeze frame. Let's make it over here. And from here, press Ctrl+T and delete this one. And go to its beginning. And go to your pen tool. Let's make a masking over there. So you can see that here we have made a masking and in different shapes. So now what we are going to do that, select these ones and go to their beginning and press P and make a keyframe over there and go 5 frames forward. And at this point, you have to drag them something like this and go to something here and drag these ones something closer where there were actual position. This will look something like this. So one thing you can do that, let's make it something here. Select all of them, go to right click, keyframe assistance, easy ease, and open this blur effect, motion blur. So now it's time to add these effects over this one. So let's select them and press P, make a keyframe, drag this keyframe over there and let's bring them something here. And let's drag one by one from where they are situated, something like this, and go around 5 frames forward here. And let's drag them a little bit far away from there. And this will move like this. And let's select their all keyframes. Go to right click, keyframe assistance, easy ease, and open the motion blur. And from here it will look something like this. So now at this point, what you can do, let's close all of them and let's apply this transform effect to one of them. After that, press Alt and go to the position and type here expression wiggle 6,55, and with the Alt press over scale and select a wiggle 6,25, and after that copy this one and let's apply over them with the Ctrl V. So this will move like this. And now it's time to apply over them. After pasting that transform effect over these one, this will work like this. So now it's the time to add this car frame. Let's go over here, apply it over here, and this will look like this, and drag this over it and make a trim of the chassis or you can say the body. Okay, so let's add some tint over it. Drag and drop over it. Select the color black. Let's move it around. 41 is enough. And from the starting, I want to that this will move in the bigger one to some frames forward. Let's go over here and make a keyframe over scale. Let's scale it down a little bit and go around here. Let's scale it up into like this is enough, and go around here. Let's make a keyframe and make it scale down something over here. And for that you want to open this motion blur. This will move like this. We can also do something that from here we can copy this transform effect and paste it over it. This will move like this. We can also add some sparks which I have downloaded. So now I have to add those sparks over here. We can cut and delete. Select it and go to here and select the mode to screen. We can also open the motion blur of it. We can do that, select all of them and drag them over here. This will move like this. And I want to do that from here. The background also starts changing. So let's select it and go to here mask and let's mask over here. For that we can do that, open the 3D, make a keyframe over X, rotation, let's slide it over here and go 2 frames forward and put it into 0. Make the keyframe open of the motion blur, and from here I want to open the background also. For that what we are going to do, select it, press Ctrl D and let's delete the mask of it. And for that let's mask it around. And we will make the changes over the 3D model. Make a keyframe over X and let's move it like this and go 2 frames forward and make it 0 and open the motion blur of it. This will move like this. Let's select these keyframes, easy ease, go to the graph editor and change the graph something like this and select both of them, easy ease. So at the end let's merge all these layers. Let's pre-compose them, go to attributes. So at the end what we can do, we can add a shake. You can use any of the shake which you have. I will apply over it. So let's drag them over here and go to here and let's apply shake over it. This will be the animation. So thanks for watching till end. Meet you in the next video. Bye.